Good afternoon, all of you. Are you online? Kanchan, are you online? Okay. Have you got the fair copy? I have told the boy who comes from the same village, whose name is Suresh, and he made a promise with me that he would certainly give the fair copy. Whether have you got the copy? Thank you. Have you written all the rules of a speech? Okay. Now you have to do the chapter from the beginning. From the beginning, the reporting a speech would be either in present or future. Then it is not necessary for you to change the tense. If the reporting a speech would be either in present or future, the tense of reported a speech would not be used, but you have to use rest of the rules of the speech. Okay, all the students are online. Have you completed your homework of yesterday? I had given you homework to write a letter. Have you written? Yeah, okay. Who told? Deepa. What have you written? Please start to read, but loudly. Otherwise, I will be able to her. Otherwise, I will not be able to her. By then, it will be great difficult for me to check. So please start to read the letter written by you. Okay, go and continue to read. I am listening properly. Okay, stop. I have listened. And any other students who wrote the letter given by me yesterday? Okay, please read. Kanchan. Okay, please read. No, in the beginning. Stop in the beginning. You have made so many mistakes. First of all, you have to write the name of the place at the right corner of the page. Just below the name of the place, you have to mention the date. By then, you have to start, respected father. By then, your letter will start. Okay? It is the first time for you to write. So, don't worry. Be happy. I have given you a week to improve your writing skill. Every day I will give you something to write on, and you have to write. I hope that within a week you will come to know how to write English. Okay? Today I will not start a new chapter. After a week I will start a new chapter named transformation. Transformation is also an important chapter of English grammar. Transformation means transformation means you can change the structure of the sentence, but you cannot change the sense of the sentence. That is called transformation. But I will discuss about transformation after a week, because it is imperative for you to improve your writing skill. If you will increase or improve your writing skill, by then you will not have to remember any answer of any question. By then you would be able to write the answer yourself. Now today I have decided to give you a short, interested story, and it will be your homework. Write a thirsty crow. Have you heard this story? Who are you telling? Okay, thank you. A thirsty crow you have to write. This is an interesting story. I think every student knows these stories. First of all, you have to write like it was a summer day, or you may write it was a hot day. A crow was very thirsty. He was flying here and there in search of water, but it could not be possible for him to find the water anywhere. So he became disappointed, and at last he reached in a garden. In the garden he saw a pitcher lying on the ground. He thought that there would be water in the pitcher. When he peeped into the pitcher, there was a little water at the bottom of the pitcher. It was not possible for the crow to drink the water. So, all of a sudden, an idea came in his mind, and he saw some pebbles around the pitcher. He started to pick a small pieces of a stone and started to drop one by one in the pitcher. In this way, all the pieces of stones went down and the water came up, and the crow was able to drink water. The crow drank plenty of water and quenched his thirst and flew away happily. This is the story. I have told you the story. Now you will have to write. By then you would be able to improve your writing skill. Okay, did you understand? What? Book will also be taught. No problem. I will teach you the book, the translation book, the grammar book, and a spoken English. All facilities are available here. When you will join with me tomorrow online and do have English book with you, and I will teach the first lesson. The name of the first lesson is Civilization and Culture. It was written by Gandhiji. First of all, on the first page, Gandhiji written about his biography, and he written the name of so many books. But tomorrow I will teach you culture and civilization. Civilization is one thing and culture is one thing. Civilization doesn't depend on religion. In a country, civilization is one, but religion may be different according to the religion. So don't worry about book. I can teach you book without seeing. I can tell the summary of the book without taking any help from the book. I promise that I will not see the book. I will tell the whole story. Did you understand? But it is your duty to make fair copy. It is very necessary. The directors have told me that 2 more students have joined today. New students, are you online? What is your name? Rohit. And another? Monu. Where are you from? Where? Chanan. No, please tell me the name of railway station which is nearest your home. Bansipur. Okay, thank you. And you have to be online every day at the same time. Okay. What is homework? Have you written the homework? This is your homework. A thirsty crow. Even I have told the story. Now you will have to write. But please listen to me. Almost all the students have written the letter, but they did not take care of the rules of tense. So today I am advising you that whenever you will write on a thirsty crow, do keep all the rules in your mind. By then your sentence will be right and your writing skill will certainly be improved within a week. Thank you. Now I am going. Next day I will see you at the same time. May God bless you. May God bless you with money and education also.